investment, and savings. To build your wealth and earn money, you need a solid financial plan. Here are some tips to get started. Budgeting. Create a monthly budget to track your income and expenses. This helps you understand how to manage your money better. Saving. Allocate a certain percentage of your income for savings. You can put this money into a savings account or invest it for future financial growth. Stock market investment. If you're willing to take risks, consider starting to invest in stocks. Studying the market and carefully choosing stocks is crucial for generating good returns. Exchange-traded funds, ETFs. You can also look into purchasing units of exchange-traded funds, allowing you to diversify your investments. Working online. Working online provides numerous opportunities to earn money. Here are some ideas. Freelancing. If you have skills in graphic design, software development, digital marketing, or any other field, you can start freelancing on platforms like Upwork or Freelancer. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services online and earn commissions when sales are made through your affiliate links. Online teaching. If you're an expert in a particular field, create online courses and sell them on platforms like Udemy or Coursera. Starting your own business. If you want to build your own business, here are some steps to consider. Market research. Research your target market to understand the opportunities and challenges you might face. Business plan. Develop a business plan that outlines your goals and strategies to achieve them. Financing. Look for potential sources of funding, whether through loans or raising capital from investors. Launch. Once you're ready, start executing your plan and develop your products or services. Education and skill development. To increase your earning potential, continue to improve your skills and knowledge. Here are some methods. Continuous learning. Make sure to keep learning and training in your field. Certifications and courses. Obtaining recognized certifications and taking courses can enhance your job prospects. Expand your interests. You may discover new money-making opportunities by possessing a diverse set of skills.